interpreted by our Supreme Court in the case of Hemans versus the Attorney General. I know many people are trying to discredit Hemans versus the Attorney General and say it is no longer the law because there's a new road traffic act. But such people are clearly unaware of what common law means. In layman language, common law means law that applies to one applies to all. And until and unless Parliament pass a new law which changes and it has to expressly attack that common law provision and say otherwise, then anything that was interpreted by the court, and I want to remind viewers who look at Hemans versus the Attorney General 2013 that the judge did not interpret Hemans versus the Attorney General based on just the Road Traffic Act. His interpretation came from the Constitution. And the Constitution from then is the same elements of the Constitution now. So when people like to say, oh, Hemans versus the Attorney General was from 2013, and here is a new Road Traffic Act, I remind viewers that in paragraph 58 of Justice Batt's ruling, Justice Batt made it clear in that case that section 58, which gives the power to stop vehicle, direct traffic, blah, Justice Batt made it clear. That section, which is now the section 91, gives a power to stop the direct vehicles and for some reasonable purpose. And reasonable cannot be overstated. Reasonable, fair, logical, justified reason. To ask a person in a free and democratic society, viewers, to put out your hand and stop them driving a white plate